Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, what is up, guys? It is Top Hat Jamaican here, bringing you another video. So, today, we literally have zero plans whatsoever. Plans either fell through. I'll probably go to the movies tonight, but I don't know. I'm kind of watching a movie on my computer right now, but yeah, there's not much we're gonna do today. It probably won't be as good as the other video of yesterday, but oh well. Yeah. See you guys then. Bye. So, today, I'm doing literally nothing. I had so many plans fall through. It's like, so I was gonna go hiking with them, with Rabbit Snake and them, but I can't, because I never can when they want to go hiking, which is just crap. So I'm going to get a bike tire for my bike, so I can at least fix my bike. And not even like that, not even my silver bike either. Like, I'm gonna fix that bike. Ugh. And I'll start riding that one. It's so much better. But yeah, going to Walmart, going to get that. So, yep. See you guys when I see you guys.
You want to ride in there?
Yep.
Let me walk.
That's how we do.
Let me walk.
There we go. Hold on, guys.
Blah, I can't see. So, we're done with Wally World. Got a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I'm on my way home again because did nothing today. Okay. Give us a piece.
And it's turn.
Yeah.
And it's turn.
Whoa. So, we are now on our way to go and get a exercise bike because we're all a bunch of fitness people now. But, huh? True. Okay. We gotta out with the old, in with the new. Yep. Gotta go test that out, see. I'll give you guys stuff when we pick it up. Yep. So guys, I'm gonna have to call it a day. See, exercise freaky. Got the exercise bike back there. We good. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have more plans and stuff. Nobody's actually answering me. So, see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.